Welcome to CafeVista Working Demo. Alex, a business owner, enters CafeVista AI with a desire to enhance their online presence. They browse through a digital menu displaying various AI services and decide to go for AI chatbots. Behind the scenes, CafeVista AI's experts work on crafting a personalized chatbot solution tailored to Alex's business needs. Soon, a friendly server presents Alex with their newly created AI chatbot, perfectly aligned with their business goals. Impressed by the results, Alex decides to explore further and opts for AI integration. The team at CafeVista AI seamlessly integrates AI into Alex's operations, automating tasks and boosting efficiency. CafeVista AI is a hub of AI and innovation, providing experts' opinion and handcrafts. Our services include NLP, machine learning, deep learning, AI solutions, chatbots, website development, and many more. CafeVista AI's researchers conduct experiments at the forefront of AI innovation. As they leave, Alex carries the spark of genius, ready to implement AI solutions to conquer new horizons.